Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izin Pak, izin dulu. My name is Muhammad Adisya Rama. I'm from Indonesia Rebel Polytechnic from Mechanical Engineering. I want to tell you about TOEFL practice is about material is reading. In first material is basketball in exercise 56. Although he created the game of basketball at the MGA in Springfield, Massachusetts, Dr. James Naismith was a Canadian. Dr. Naismith noticed a lack of five interest in exercise among students during the winter time. He thought to make a first basketball game in December 1891. Dr. Naismith, whom to outpace basket at either end of gymnasium at the school and using a soccer ball and 9 players on each side. The early rule allowed 3 points for each basket and made running with the ball a violation. Basketball was being played in less than a year in United States and Canada. Then 5 years championship tournament was taken in New York City, which was won by the Brooklyn Central YMCA. The teams had already been reduced to 7 players and 5 become standard in 1897 season when the basketball was to introduce as demonstration sport in the 1904 Olympic Games in Saint Louis is quickly spread throughout the world in the 1090 1906, a metal hoop was used for the first time to replace to the basket, but the name basketball has remained. In the next, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse was not Disney for the successfully cartoon creation, but he is certainly his most famous one. It was on cross-country train trip from New York to California in 1000 that Disneyland first drew the mouse with the birds is supposedly inspiration from the theme field mice the used to scamper is the stronger in Kansas City. No one is quite sure why he dressed in the now familiar shirt with two buttons and give him the yellow shoes. Federal police for the native people. Federal police towards the Native American has a long history on inconsistency, reversal, and failure in the late 1700 CS. The United States government owned and operated the factory, exchanging in manufactured goods the purpose and the horse with the hope the mutual certification trade with the world the result in peace between Native America and the rest of the settled world were moving with. At the same time, the government that permitted them to live in their midst, schools were established to educate Native American youth outside of the home environment under the Indian Reorganization Act, the 1934 Secretary Trip were encouraged to organize their tribal government. Anti-Indian sentiment resurfaced only 10 years later, and by the 1950 relocation center to move Native American from the reservation to urban area were established to go today. Government policies are unclear. Many officials want to remove the federal government completely from the Native American government. Others believe the government should support Native American effort to maintain their culture, not sparingly The Native Americans themselves are ambivalent about the role of the federal government in their affairs. In the next exercise 99, 59, Agent O'Neill, University acclaimed American agreed to supply Agent O'Neill was born in 1080, 1888 in the heart of the theater district in New York as the son of the actor beheld early exposure to the world like the theater. He attended Princeton University briefly in 1906, but returned to New York to work in a variety of jobs before joining the crew of Richter Seaman returned from voyages in South America and South America. He was hospitalized for 6 months, recuperated to tuberculosis. In the next exercise 62, the Canadian government. Canada is democracy organized as constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of the government modeled after the of Great Britain. The official head of a state in the Canada is Queen Elizabeth II of the Britain. Will is also Queen of Canada. The governor is the Queen personal representative in Canada and the official head of the Canadian Parliament. Also with a very limited power, the federal parliament in Canada consists of the House, Commons, and the Senate. The actual head of government is the minister. Ward is responsible for using cabinet. The cabinet consists of a group minister of varied expertise who serve with the support of the House Commons. They are responsible for much legislation and have the sole power to prepare and introduce bills that provide for the expenditure of public fund or taxation. Well, the system is referred to as responsible government, which means that the cabinet member sit in the parliament are directly responsible to it, holding power only as long as majority of the House of Commons show confidence by voting with them. If the cabinet defeat in the House of Commons on a motion of change or a vote of no confidence, the cabinet must either resign, in which cabinet the governor will the leader of the opposition to form a new cabinet or new election might be being passed the by Senate are about 300 constituents. Law the year record by law in Canada, the party that win the largest number of seats in general election from the government and this leader becomes the prime minister. The second largest party becomes the official opposition and leader recognized as leader of the opposition. In this way, the people are user of an effective alternative government, so they become displeased with the one in power. Exercise 63, hydrogen. Hydrogen is a much common element in the universe, and which perhaps the first to form is among the 10 among common elements on Earth as well, and one of the most useful for industrial purpose. Line the under normal condition to temperature, hydrogen is gas designated hydrogen is the first element that is periodic table because there is constantly only one person. Hydrogen can combine with a larger number of the other elements, forming more compounds than any of the other. Pure hydrogen seldom occur naturally, but it exists in most organic compound. That is, compound that contain carbon, which account for a very large number of compounds. The next exercise is exercise 66. about competition. Rivalry among a business and service industries is called competition. This a feature of market economy encourage business to improve their goods and service, keep their price lines affordable, and offer new product to attract more buyers. There are four basic types of competition in business that perform a continuum for the pure competition through monopolistic competition and oligopoly to monopoly at the end, the continuum per competition result when every company has a similar product. Exercise 67. Sleep cycle. Whether one is awake or asleep, the brain emits an electric wave. This wave occur in predictable sleep cycle, then can be measured with an electroencephalograph, known more commonly as an line during wakefulness. The waves are coded at above 10 small waves of 5 per second. But with the onset of sleep, the wave become large and slower. The larger, slowest wave occur during the first 3 hours of sleep when mental activity slow down, but does not stop. In fact, in awakeness from slow wave job person. Often member fatigue tops that occur during the period of sleep. The GO sleeper does not generally trim. In the next, about exercise 70. Exercise 70, about level of vocabulary. Most language have a vocabulary that might be used by the same speaker in the English and the other three have been identified and described. Line standard use include those word expression understood, five use and achieved by the majority of the speakers of a language in any situation, regardless of the level formalities. As such, this word and expression are well defined and laced that in stand dictionary colloquialism, on the other hand, are familiar words, idiom that are understood by almost every speaker of the language and used in informal speech or writing, but not considered acceptable for more formal situation. Colonial speech, colonial speech, colonial speech often pass into the standard speech. Some slang also pass into standard speech, but other expression enjoy momentary popularity, followed in obscurity. In some cases, the majority never achieve a certain slang appearance in nevertheless certain them here are collective. Uh, every generation seems to requires uh, its onset of the described familiar object, even it has been pointed on number familiar object and event. It has been pointed about creation of the larger bodies like expression, and the first the introduction and acceptance few new object with situation in the society. Second is diverse population with a larger number of subgroup. Third, association about among the subgroup and majority population. Finally, it's worth noting that the term standard colonial and slang is only abstract label scholars who study language only the tiny number speaker or any language will be aware that they are using colonial or slang expression. Most most speaker of English will during appropriate situation select and use all three type expression. In the next exercise 71. Extend the exercise 70 word about new photography, classical lens period as the movement gained in popularity. Photographer made a clear distinction between the elegant arty photography that conformed to the aesthetic standard used for painting the words of more realistic photographer that was beginning to appear since they were cloudy because of the gum Bichromate split the allowed for manual intervention. The aesthetic print were easily distinguished from the more modern prints which came came the Bakelite string format photograph. Uh, the mechanical precision they had, on security hallmark modern photography. Simply the effort of the stringless modern photography had the skins from painting and emerged legitimate or the in summary the aesthetic movement rejected reality for beauty but the photosession embraced realism as even more beautiful. In the next exercise 74, bioluminescent skin. About bioluminescent skin like the from Gifling, living plant to animal called bioluminescent skin or called like distinguish either from in can the skins or heat generating like life form called no products in case then like without being but their like is heat is product and the life from generating it are unharmed although bioluminescence is a relatively complicated process it can be reduced to simple term living like occur when luciferin and oxygen combine in the presence of lucifers in the few cases where life the most common additional compound is called ATP is required. Uh, the earliest record experiment Billmans is in the late 1800 are attribute Raphael Du Bois to extract luminance surface from the claim of surfing that is continue to glow in the test took for several minutes. He named the substance luciferin, which means the beer of light. In the future research, Du Bois discovered that several chemicals were required for bioluminescence to occur. He is not. It was recorded that a second important substance, which called luciferase, was always present in later studies of small luminescence. Creator Newton Hervey concluded that luciferin was composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, which are the variety lucifers specific to the plant and the animal that produce them. Much the remain unknown, but many scientists would study bioluminescence flow believe that the origin of the phenomenon might trace to a time when there was oxygen in Earth atmosphere where oxygen was gradually introduced into the atmosphere is actually present to life from the plants and animal product like to use up the oxygen in the gradual but necessary adaptation. It is speculated of millions of years life may have produced like to survive as the millennial passed life from on Earth become tolerant and friendly dependent of oxygen and the adaptation the produced bioluminescence was no longer necessary, but some primitive plant animal continued to use the light for the new function such mating attractive prey. In the next exercise, about exercise 75, about a cause or effect until social science. why the American getting older, especially older or this present percent of total population in the America and by 2000 to 2025, where the will be 59 million or elderly American represent 21% of the population of the United States. Furthermore, the percentage of the population over 85 will increase about 1% currently to 5% in 2005. In the population trend has been referred to as graying of America. To explain this demographic change, we must look the three factors: fertility, mortality, and immigration. In the last part, influence all demographic trend. Trying of America is no exception. Also increase in the birth rate, most dramatic factor, the decline in death rate is also significant. Medical advance have influenced life expectancy. Antibiotic and drug therapies as well new surgical techniques have made a significant contributed in in addition technological device diagnosis the treatment have a 7 extent left. For example, whereas only 40% of those American born in 1900 had a life expectancy of 65 in the years 2000. 80% reaches the classic retirement expectancy. Diamond, the average male life span in 2000 to 81.3 years by the 2005. In addition, immigration has contributed to increasing number elderly afterwards, where a massive immigration of young adult of immigration encourage large families with the rich among the specialist population were very high. There is now among the elderly are generally a significant segment of the older population. In the next section, about exercise 78 about persuasive or justification, adil natural science, Doug wrote super species. There are the valid agreement to support the presenting of endangered species and aesthetic justification. Uh, Justification content biodiversity contributed to quality of because many endangered plants animals are particularly appreciated for their unique physical, the aesthetic role of nature in all its diverse form is reflected in the art and the literature of agriculture, attaining symbolic status in the spiritual life of many groups. According the proponent of the aesthetic argument, people need nature in all its diverse, beautiful form as part of the experience of the world. Uh, Apart from Brummer and Vintage, talk proponent as morality justification content uh, that will that will the proponent of the more justification content that all species have a right to exist. A few points state in the United Nations World Charter for Nature created in 1982. Furthermore, if look humankind view itself as the stewards of the all creature of earth, then it is incumbent upon human beings to protect them and to ensure and continue existence of all species. Moral justification has been extended by a movement called Deep Ecology, the members of which rank biosphere hacker the people because the continuation of life depends on his large perspective to carry their argument to its logical conclusion. All choice must be made for the biosphere. In the next exercise 79. Exercise 79 about precision justification until social science. Present refer in the United States today, there are more than 500,000 criminals serving time in jail of prison. Of more prisoners are male high school dropout between the age 18 and until 2020. Recruitment is the rate for the rates more the 60%, although the state objective of the criminal justice uh, system on both federal and state level is to rehabilitate to inmates integrate them into society. The system itself does not support such a goal. If the if the prison are intended to achieve to goal rehabilitating offender, the prison themselves will have changed. First, they will have to remain small, to be smaller, housing no more than 500 prisoners. It has been shown the crowding in large facility is not conducive to behavior modification. Second, they will have to be built in or near population center with community resource available for gradual reintegration into society. This must include social, psychological, service. Finally, prison program must be restructured to provide work release, vocational, and academic training for inmates to prepare them with skill and carry over into their life after release. In addition to parole term and community supervised work release successfully model for such collaborative effort between the criminal justice system and the community already exists several hundred halfway houses through the country where inmates complete their sentence will beginning to reestablish their life a productive member of society. Studies suggest the improvement assuredly administered must be viewed as punishment rather than performed until we approach the problem interchange behave rather than segregating offender prisoner who are released will probably return to a life crime. And the next exercise about exercise 82, the artwork. The artworks problem or solution until art and architecture. One of the major problem what is distinctly promote an artist effect market must be created for the big successfully, the practicing in numbering individual line prints was introduced by James Abbott Neil Whistler, the 9th century artist best known for the painting of his mother. Colored arrangement in gray and black, but known to much of us as Whistler mother. Color As soon Whistler and Haydn began to practice emphasizing on the numbering their prints, their work began to increase in value when the numbering were prints, their work began to increase its value when the other noticed that the same prints command higher price, they began copying and produce. Although most prints are signed on the right hand side in the margin below the image replacement of the signature is the matter of personal choice in the prints have been signed within the image in any of the margin or even on the reverse assign the signature matter of personal choice in the print have been seen within the image in of the margin or even reverse side of the print. Wherever in the artist to sing it inside pregnant valued above and set one is the same edition. Uh, about in the exercise 56 about the teams has been reduced to 7 play and 5 became standard in the 1897 season when the basketball was introduced as demonstration sport in the 1904 Olympic game in St. Louis. It quickly spread through the world in the 1906. A metal hoop was used for the first time to replace the basket, but the name basketball has remained. In the federal police, under Indian Reorganization Act, the 1034 Stanley tribes were included. The organizes their tribal government anti-Indian sentiment resurfaced only the 10 years later and by the 1905 relocation center to move Native American from the reservation to urban areas were established. Today, government police area unclear many officials want to remove of the federal government completely from Native American governments. Other believe that the government should support Native American effort uh, their culture. There's no specially the Native American themselves are ambient about the role of the federal government in their affairs. Uh, about this is about my this is about my um, material of TOEFL is reading. Good night. Thank you.